For years, the handheld gimbal market has been synonymous with one name, DJI. However, following a series of high-profile teases and an official confirmation from Insta360 CEO Liu Jingkong in mid-February, the Insta360 Luna has emerged as the most serious threat to that dominance. Positioned as a direct competitor to the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the Luna isn't just a minor iteration of existing tech. It's a fundamental rethinking of what a pocket camera should be. By shifting away from their famous 360-degree heritage, Insta360 is signaling a bold entry into mainstream cinematography, aiming to capture the hearts and wallets of creators who want professional-grade optics without the professional-grade bulk. At the core of the Insta360, Luna's appeal is its ambitious sensor and processing architecture. Industry leaks and confirmed blueprints point toward a massive 1-inch 50-megapixel main sensor. In the world of digital imaging, sensor size is king. A larger sensor means more surface area to catch light, which translates directly to better performance in difficult lighting and a more natural, shallow depth of field. To ensure this raw data is handled correctly, Insta360 is debuting a dual SoC, system-on-chip architecture. This setup uses a secondary pre-ISP chip that acts like a digital assistant for the main processor. Before the final video file is even written to the SD card, this auxiliary chip detects low-light noise, shadow crushing, and highlights, cleaning up the raw image in real time. This effectively allows the Luna to produce clean, usable footage in scenarios where previous pocket cameras would have fallen apart into a grainy mess. The most significant spec war feature of the Luna is undoubtedly its dual-lens gimbal head. Historically, pocket gimbals have been restricted to a single fixed wide-angle lens, forcing users to rely on digital cropping, which destroys image quality, if they want to get closer to a subject. The Luna shatters this limitation by incorporating two distinct optics: a standard wide-angle lens for traditional vlogging and a dedicated telephoto lens. This combination provides a 3x true optical zoom, a first for this form factor. This isn't just about getting closer, it's about plane compression. By using a longer focal length, creators can achieve that cinematic, compressed look that makes backgrounds feel closer to the subject, a hallmark of high-end filmmaking that has been missing from the stick camera category until now. Switching between these lenses is reported to be seamless, handled either automatically based on zoom level or manually via the touchscreen and physical joystick. The physical design of the Luna represents a sophisticated evolution of the handheld gimbal form. While it maintains the familiar stick shape, the ergonomics have been refined for longer shooting sessions. A large 2.2-inch rotating touchscreen sits at the center of the handle, allowing for easy framing whether you are shooting high, low, or in vertical mode for social media. One of the most intriguing aspects of the body design is the persistent rumor of modularity. Leaked prototypes suggest that the camera and gimbal head might be detachable from the battery handle. This would follow the design language of the Insta360 Go and One RS series, potentially allowing users to swap out different handles, perhaps a larger battery grip or a light mount, or use the camera head as a standalone remote unit. This level of flexibility is something the fixed-design DJI Pocket series has never offered, and it could be the deciding factor for action-oriented creators. For the pro creator, the internal specs of the Luna are nothing short of a dream. It is expected to support 4K video recording at up to 240 frames per second, offering incredible slow-motion capabilities in ultra-high definition. To complement this, the camera will support 10-bit color depth. For the uninitiated, 10-bit video captures over a billion colors compared to the 16 million found in standard 8-bit footage. This is crucial for professional color grading. It prevents banding in gradients like sunsets and allows editors to push the colors significantly in post-production without the image breaking down. With a maximum bitrate rumored at 200 megabits per second, the files produced by the Luna will be dense with data, ensuring that every detail of the 50-megapixel sensor is preserved. This level of fidelity means the Luna can easily serve as a B camera alongside $5,000 professional rigs, maintaining a consistent look across a production. Stability has always been Insta360's secret sauce, and the Luna looks to combine mechanical hardware with advanced software. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal handles the physical vibrations, but it is augmented by FlowState stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock. This means that even if you rotate the camera completely upside down while running, the footage will remain perfectly level and smooth. Beyond just keeping the image steady, the Luna uses its dual processors for AI tracking 5.0. A common complaint with high-performance pocket cameras is that they overheat or run out of juice too quickly. The Luna aims to solve this with a 1,500 mAh battery that is rated for approximately 180 minutes of continuous use. This is a significant step up from previous generations of pocket gimbals. Charging is handled via a high-speed USB-C 3.0 port, which also allows for ultra-fast data transfers to a computer or smartphone. As we look toward the rumored late March 2026 launch, the conversation inevitably turns to price. Reliable sources suggest a tiered pricing model, a standard version starting around $499, and a creator combo that includes the telephoto lens and audio accessories for closer to $699. This puts it in a very aggressive position against the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. By offering 10-bit color, 3x optical zoom, and a modular design at a similar or lower price point, Insta360 is making a clear play for market leadership. The Luna isn't just a response to DJI. It is a challenge to the entire industry to stop settling for good enough in the pocket category. The Insta360 Luna is shaping up to be the most important camera release of the first half of 2026. It represents the maturation of the pocket gimbal, moving it from a vlogger's toy to a legitimate cinematic tool. With its dual lens system, massive sensor, and dual chip processing, it addresses almost every pain point that has plagued this category for years. The handheld camera market will never be the same once the Luna finally lands.